Hello, and welcome to my presentation on factors affecting planet colonization, a case study of the planet Kepler 62e. So, Kepler 62e is actually located in the solar system of Kepler 62. So, why should we consider Kepler 62e as the home planet to settle on? First of all, the main pinnacle or the focus is that we seek to divulge an innovative environment credited with sustainable, net zero carbon emission technologies. Some brief comparisons of Kepler 62 and our solar system. The brief point is that Kepler 62e, or the Kepler 62 solar system itself, comprises of 5 terrestrial exoplanets, and Kepler 62e is a rocky exoplanet found there. And there are 2 planets which are found in the habitable zone. The habitable zone is that perfect area of planets that surround or orbit the Sun, and they orbit so perfectly that the distance is rather beneficial to us for life. Versus our solar system, there are only 8 notable planets which orbit the Sun, and these planets are quite varying. We have ice giants, gas giants, and rocky lithospheres, such as Earth. And Kepler 62e is one which has rocky lithosphere with a core similar to that of Earth, which is almost equally as dense. The target region of us and our project is the tundra. Why the tundra? Well, first of all, we have to consider the core. Scientists estimate that the Kepler 62 solar system has been modeled to a great extent to understand that there could be biomes present on Kepler 62e, and the tundra is a suggested place where we can settle. So I chose to settle in the suburb of the tundra because of different factors that are possible, mainly because of the economic development of sustainable and renewable energy. The soil composition of the tundra. Overall poor soil condition. However, there are different technologies which could aid us into improving this using our renewable energy. Brief factors are that the phosphorus cycle occurs mostly in the tundra with little pebbles during the process of cryoturbation, thawing and freezing constantly affecting the rock lithosphere itself. And this cycles through biogeochemical series, which are a huge part of our ecosystems. So now where will be the food on our planet? Initial food supplies will be shipped from Earth aboard containers on starships, but in the long run, the aforementioned will not be efficient, meaning shipping containers from the Earth. In the long run, we will actually have to create artificial biospheres by studying different areas and animals, species thriving in the area, and finding which have the best plausible effects for nutrition on humans. Our main focus will be on renewable energy to create everything to provide for us the basic backbone of living on Kepler 62e. We'll be using geothermal energy, which is provided from the ground itself. Below to the right, we see steam coming out of these power plants. This is actually not that harmful to the atmosphere. What it does is that it actually undergoes a process known as steaming and drying from the hot pockets that are created deep underground the earth with hydraulics that power this turbine. And this turbine is actually empowered with kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy further modifies and transforms into electricity, which can be used for different purposes, such as heating houses. Finally, colonial homes. Brief factors are that geothermal heating plants or heating compartments will actually be provided underground of these houses. Another factor is that the roofs and the superficial areas are actually made with anti-corrosive properties of chromium, a metal element provided on the periodic table. We'll also have regulated LEDs provided through turbine electricity. Thank you very much.